Spam, the iconic canned meat product, is a marvel of modern food production, crafted through a meticulously controlled process in state-of-the-art factories. The journey begins with the selection of high-quality pork and ham, which are the primary ingredients of this beloved product. Suppliers deliver fresh cuts of meat to the factory, where rigorous quality checks ensure only the finest materials make it into production. The meat is carefully trimmed to remove any excess fat or undesirable portions, leaving behind lean cuts that will form the basis of Spam's unique texture and flavor. Once the meat has passed inspection, it is transferred to large industrial grinders. These machines break down the meat into a consistent, fine mixture, a crucial step to achieve the smooth and uniform texture that Spam is known for. This ground meat is then blended with a carefully measured combination of salt, sugar, water, and sodium nitrite. These ingredients play a pivotal role in preserving the meat, enhancing its flavor, and maintaining its appealing color. The blending process is precise and methodical, ensuring that each batch of Spam meets the same high standards of quality and taste. During this stage, spices and other proprietary flavorings may also be added, depending on the specific Spam variety being produced. The blended mixture is then funneled into automated filling machines, where it is portioned into the iconic rectangular metal cans. Each can is weighed and checked to ensure it contains the correct amount of meat. This step is essential for maintaining consistency and ensuring that every customer receives the same amount of product. The filled cans move down the production line, where they are sealed with precision-engineered lids. The sealing process creates an airtight environment, a critical factor in Spam's impressive shelf life. With the cans sealed, the next step is cooking. This process takes place in massive industrial ovens, where the cans are subjected to high temperatures and pressure. The heat not only cooks the meat but also sterilizes the contents, eliminating any bacteria and ensuring the product is safe to eat. The cooking process is carefully timed and monitored to achieve the perfect balance between safety and flavor. Once the cooking cycle is complete, the cans are rapidly cooled to lock in the product's freshness. After cooling, the cans are inspected once again to ensure they meet strict quality standards. Automated systems and human inspectors work in tandem to check for any defects, such as dents or improper seals. Only the cans that pass this rigorous examination proceed to the next stage. Those that don't meet the standards are removed from the line and recycled to minimize waste. The final step in the production process is labeling and packaging. The cans are sent through high-speed labeling machines, where the iconic Spam labels are applied. These labels not only identify the product but also provide important nutritional information and branding. Once labeled, the cans are grouped into packs and boxed for shipping. Depending on the destination, the packaging might vary to accommodate different retail requirements. Spam's journey from factory to table doesn't end here. The boxed products are loaded onto pallets and transported to distribution centers around the world. From there, they are delivered to supermarkets, convenience stores, and other retail outlets, ensuring that Spam is accessible to customers wherever they are. The entire process, from the arrival of raw ingredients to the departure of finished products, is a testament to modern manufacturing techniques and the commitment to quality that has made Spam a household name. Through this intricate and well-coordinated process, Spam continues to delight millions of people with its versatile and satisfying flavor. The factories that produce Spam are not just places of production, they are centers of innovation and excellence, dedicated to maintaining the legacy of a product that has stood the test of time. Every can of Spam represents a perfect balance of tradition and technology, a tribute to the enduring appeal of this classic comfort food. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Drop a comment below with your thoughts or suggestions, we'd love to hear from you. And if you know someone who'd enjoy this, share it with them too. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and we'll see you in the next video.